Hello amigos, today we're gonna do a 3-bar cleaning. They need help. Oops, almost threw my special sauce. And this one, if you notice closely, it has some PVC previous damage. So we're gonna try that one first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That shit is not coming out. All right. Well, at least we're gonna try to get some luster out of it. My next one is the Halloween. Well, this one has some inscriptions on the rim. I never seen that on a Madison. Well, it's just no, there's no inscription. It was just plain dirt. Oh my goodness. I think this one is gonna come out pretty. Very pretty. Oh yeah, baby, yeah. And the last one is not toning, okay? It's just plain dirt. Oh my God, this one is gonna come out. Oh my God, beautiful. Whew. Oh yeah. I think everybody's gonna like this results today. Let's get them out of the water. We had a lot of rain yesterday. And it looks like our water is not that clean. Oh yeah, baby. I gotta go out like this. All right, so let's show some results. Hope you remember how it was. We need better lighting. Pretty good result. This one is the one that didn't clean up that good. We still have the mustard there. The back looks pretty nice. And the last one was the 1776 Valentine's Day. Nice.